Ah, the stars are docking Princess Alice. That should be worth watching in this wind.
What's happening back there? Come on, stars! She's not responding, Hercules! The wind's too strong!
I can't hold her much longer!
Pull hard, everybody!
We're pulling full steam, can't do no more. We need another tug. Just one more and do it.
Sorry, I can't help. I'm needed in case of fire.
Come on, lads, hold it.
Oh, look out, I'm in trouble!
Come on, somebody.
We're losing it! Will we cross between ship and quayside?
This is too you switches.
70! Oh, thanks, just in time. You're a lifesaver!
Thank you, somebody. She's under control again.
Got her, OJ!
Oh, hey, thanks, Zebedee.
You'll all have my boiler for this.
Aye, thank you, Zebedee.
Thank you, Zebedee.
Thanks, Zebedee.
Is everybody going soft in the head or something? Oh, the idiot.